Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can download a photo from OnlyFans. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go click on photo, and you can actually do anything, right? So let's just zoom in a little bit and go to post here, and we can go like this. And now what you want to do is to use a snipping tool or something like this, and just simply use a snipping tool to get a photo, your favorite if you want to. And this is how we do it. And she got nice lips, by the way. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. So again, just snipping tool, or you can also do this, but this is going to be a little bit of work, that you would print screen and then you would go to paint and you would paste it here. So this is another way how you can do it. So print screen and just paste it. These are the two ways how we can do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.